Welcome, I'm Sierra, and I'm really excited about sharing today's video with you. I am an American that has been living in Mauritius for the past 4 months. Exactly, where does the time even go? Today's video is about what I eat in Mauritius. I am a self-proclaimed Flexitarian who happens to be allergic to milk and gluten. This sometimes lumps me in the same categories as someone who might subscribe to a plant-based diet or be vegan. However, there are some intricacies in between. This also means that I've had to become quite resourceful in the past 4 months of living on the Isle of Maurice. Thankfully, I've been making a lot of progress while simultaneously discovering that there are plenty of options available here. I also recently created a tool that can help those who might be allergy sufferers or might subscribe to a specialized diet and plan on coming to Mauritius soon, but more on that a little bit later. Mauritius is currently experiencing a high interest in expats and digital nomads that are interested in coming to the island in pursuit of the premium visa. Many of these applicants, like myself, are millennials, and we tend to be conscious about the food choices that we make, whether it be for better sustainability reasons, health, or overall improved lifestyles. I've spent these last 4 months searching Facebook groups, researching through the internet, using the Happy Cow app, and I actually came up with some really good findings. Let me tell you about some. My first breakthrough discovery was finding out about Ekoshi, which is a nonprofit organization in Mauritius that inspires sustainability and wellness through plant-based education. Heather Drummond is the founder, and the organization does workshops to educate food industry workers about the importance of offering more plant-based options for guests and the positive effects that it has on the environment. I attended one of Ekoshi's workshops recently and really enjoyed the fact that it was an event that brought together a lot of like-minded expats, and it was definitely for an important cause. During the workshop, we learned more about Ekoshi's mission, watched an informative presentation, did quizzes, and enjoyed a tasty plant-based meal sponsored by Edendale. I would definitely suggest linking up with Ekoshi if you plan on coming to Mauritius soon, because they tend to have workshops and they plan on having retreats in the future and other community-related activities. Upon further research, I have discovered that there are a lot of small businesses in Mauritius that do sell gluten-free and vegan items, but they might resell these products through restaurants, stores, and delivery services that are offered throughout the island. For example, Keto Angel Mauritius is a small shop located in Vacqua, Phoenix, and they make products that are low-carb, diabetes, and keto-friendly. Many of their items are gluten-free, vegan, and can be customized. Okay, tell me, what's that over there?
This is not cocoa.
Okay.
Coconut. This is frozen.
Okay.
This is brownies.
Okay. What's that?
Brownies.
Brownies.
Chicken
Okay.
brownies.
And what's that in the middle?
This one you take.
This is the Portuguese custard cups, the natas.
Then here is our quantities.
Okay. And what are these?
You have cake, orange cake.
Oh.
You have mixed crumble. You have donuts. Here you have peanut butter. And this one is called pan.
Okay. Very good.
We make gluten-free.
Okay. Very, very good. It was my first time trying their products, and I opted for the pastéis de nata, which was my favorite dessert prior to becoming allergic to gluten. Their version is gluten-free, and they do also offer customizations once again. I also tried their gluten-free and vegan wraps that I am obsessed with. They are coconut-based, and I didn't find the coconut taste to be overwhelming. My starter pack that I purchased is almost gone, and I already want to go back for more ASAP.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Earlier in this video, I hinted at a resource that could help others better be able to locate establishments in Mauritius that offer vegan, gluten-free, and flexitarian options. I'm happy to report that I cut out a lot of the work for you and created this comprehensive list of restaurants, pop-up shops, markets, and etc. here in Mauritius that offer gluten-free, vegan, and plant-based options. There are 61 establishments on the list at the time of making this video, and it is growing. The list is actually on my website, and I will be sure to put a link to the list in the description below. Today's video was short and sweet, you guys. I hope that you found it very insightful. And if you live in Mauritius and you are aware of some establishments here that offer some flexitarian options, this foodie wants to know. So go ahead and put those recommendations in the comment box below, and I look forward to reading them. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.